Hello guys, we are in Tawaramati today and there is a special festival here today and we have two special guests as well. Hello. Oh, how are you doing guys?
It's hot. We are gonna.
Maduka-chan and Miley.
Yeah.
How are you doing Maduka-chan? Good? Hot? It's hot. It's very hot today. So,
She's shy.
Maduka-chan is teaching Japanese. Mada oshiru desu ka? Sokoshi? So, she's teaching Japanese online. And just in front of us there is a ceremony. So what is the ceremony?
So this is Bon dance ceremony held in Higashi Honganji Temple.
Higashi Honganji Temple.
One of the biggest Bon dance festival.
Once a year or?
Once a year.
Yeah.
For 2 days.
Okay, let's go in. Oh, it's so cool, the lighting. Are you gonna dance too? Oh yeah. They are Asakusa Kid girls, yeah? And they're gonna dancing team. Okay, let's
dance Bon dance.
Bon dance, okay. This, wow, it's so colorful here and we have food as well. Maybe we're gonna try some food too. Everybody's, so you can.
We should jump into this dance group.
How? Oh, you have to go inside like that. Alright, try.
So you don't need to know choreography.
Can you go on the stage too?
No.
No?
Here.
Alright,
We
alright.
are going to learn choreography.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. How was it? Was it fun? Yeah.
It's slow and easy to dance for everyone.
Wow. So it's
Next song? 燃えろ日本の夏休み。
Natsuyasumi song, yeah?
祭りです。よろしくお願いします。
Yes, this is summer holiday.
夏祭り。
Okay. Summer festival. Now it's another song. Oh, that's the teacher. Also, people are drinking and eating over there as well. There's a red samurai behind you. Red samurai. Very cool.
ありがとうございました。さあ、一部もラストまで3曲でおしまいなので。
Atsui. Is it hot?
Did you interview?
Interview?
3曲で1曲でお願いします。
Let me interview him.
お願いします。続きましては、七福神音頭です。よろしくお願いします。
All right. Very cool. Alright, awesome. How was the dance? どうでしたか？楽しかったです。暑くないですか？暑いです。It's really hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
It's hotness also one of the specialty of summer. So I love.
What was that? Again? Ah, hi, hi.
She
Yeah.
always dance on the stage like that.
Okay.
So this was our first experience around.
Ah, right.
As a customer, and she said it was really fun. Enjoy.
すごい。初めてこれもね。So she's always dancing on the stage on top. Now today she was dancing with people.
I love it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here there are
This,
many
you wanna?
special
Food,
foods
yeah.
of Asakusa. So you can also enjoy local foods here.
All right. You wanna show some of the food?
Okay.
Let's see some of the food.
It's really popular Asakusa street snack.
Ah, street food?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. What is that?
Menchikatsu. Monja korokke.
Ah, you wanna try? Let's try this special Asakusa food.
The most famous bondori. You should.
Ah, this is the most famous one. Why is the most famous one? Ah, Tokyo side. Tokyo is the original, yeah? Ah, it's the last one. This is the last one. Okay. It's super awesome. Alright, let's try some food here. Oh, highball. You got highball. Oh, yes.
These are always quickly sold out.
Ah, okay. What is that actually got? Oh, sorry. Oh.
Monja.
Cheese munja. Ah,
Taste. Cheese monja flavor.
cheese munja. And yours is?
Liver.
Neba? Leba. Ah, leba.
Liver. Liver
Alright.
fry.
Cheers. Bye. It's good? Let me know which one is more delicious. Which one is good? Onaji? Oh, different.
I prefer this. What do you think?
どの味これ? Ah, cheese munja. Ah, cheese munja.
Liver.
Never. Alright, enjoy. And this is highball.
This is Asakusa highball.
Asakusa highball.